In the era of IoT technology and artificial intelligence, we want to be able to manage all our devices in an easy, green and cost-efficient way. The University of Bologna designed a novel system architecture that was transferred to GreenWaves Technologies, and with the economic and infrastructural support of TETRAMAX, has revolutionized the market with GAP8, a processor category that enables the deployment of artificial intelligence into small battery-operated devices that, based on rich data sources, are able to classify, analyze and act. Besides, the ultra-low energy solution allows sufficient battery autonomy for IoT tiny gadgets. And what comes next? GreenWaves Technologies is able to multiply by 6 the current energy efficiency. Also, new processors should be able to deal with higher resolution imagery that will improve the decision-making process of all the devices using their chips. TETRAMAX aims to bring added value to European industry, helping to gain competitive advantage through faster digitization. TETRAMAX, your one-stop shop for digitizing European SMEs. Visit www.tetramax.eu for more information on our funding opportunities.